If you're looking for alternatives to TikTok Shop, you're in the right place. Today we'll be diving into 3 fantastic options: Instagram Shopping, Pinterest Shopping, and Facebook Shops. We'll explore their features, pros and cons, and why you might choose one over the other. Now let's get started. Before we get into the alternatives, let's quickly touch on TikTok Shop. It's a great platform for reaching a younger audience, but it might not be the perfect fit for everyone due to its limited features and niche audience. Many businesses are looking for more robust solutions, and that's where these alternatives come in. So what are your options? Let's first start with Instagram Shopping. If you're already using Instagram to engage with your audience, this is a seamless way to integrate shopping into your social media strategy. Instagram Shopping allows businesses to create a full screen storefront, showcasing products directly inside the app. One of the biggest pros of Instagram Shopping is its visual appeal. Instagram is all about visuals, as you may know, with all their bright colors, and it's perfect for showcasing products. High quality images and videos can significantly boost your sales. Another major advantage is the built-in audience. If you've already built a following on Instagram, you can leverage this audience to drive sales directly from your posts. Instagram Shopping offers a range of features, including shoppable posts, stories, and even live shopping. You can tag products in your posts and stories, making it easy for followers to shop directly from your content. Live shopping is another exciting feature where you can showcase products in real time and interact with your audience. Setting up Instagram Shopping is straightforward. You'll need a business account, a Facebook shop, and your catalog set up in Facebook Commerce Manager. Once approved, you can start tagging products in your posts and stories. Make sure your catalog is well organized and up to date to ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. However, there are some cons to consider. Instagram Shopping has eligibility requirements, so not everyone can set it up immediately. You need to comply with their commerce policies and have a substantial amount of followers. Additionally, your reach relies heavily on the Instagram algorithm, which can be a bit unpredictable. Engaging content and strategic use of hashtags can help, but there's no guarantee of consistent visibility. Next, let's talk about Pinterest Shopping. Pinterest is a fantastic platform to drive traffic to your website, especially if you have visually appealing products. Pinterest users are often in discovery mode, looking for new ideas and products, which makes it an ideal platform for e-commerce. One of the major pros of Pinterest Shopping is its discovery-oriented nature. Users on Pinterest are actively searching for inspiration, making them more likely to engage with your products. And the longevity of pins is another advantage as well. Unlike posts on other social media platforms, pins have a longer lifespan and can drive traffic for months or even years. Pinterest also offers rich pins, which provide more information directly on the pin, such as pricing and availability. This makes it easier for users to make purchasing decisions without leaving the platform. Setting up Pinterest Shopping involves creating rich pins and linking your catalog. It's a bit more complex than Instagram, but the potential for long-term engagement is huge. Pinterest really is one of the best advertising platforms for your content. However, Pinterest does come with some cons. The audience on Pinterest can be a bit more niche when compared to Instagram, which might limit your reach. Additionally, the setup process can be more technical, requiring a good understanding of how to integrate your catalog with Pinterest. Finally, we have Facebook Shops. If you're looking for a comprehensive e-commerce solution within a social media platform, then this one might be the one for you. Facebook Shops allows you to create a customizable storefront, provided a branded shopping experience for your customers. And one of the biggest benefits of Facebook Shops is its integration with Instagram. If you're using both platforms, you can seamlessly manage your shop and catalog across both. This integration makes it easier to reach a wider audience and drive sales from multiple channels. Facebook Shops offers a range of features, including live shopping, shoppable posts, and robust advertising options. Live shopping allows you to showcase products in real time and engage with your audience directly. Shoppable posts make it easy for customers to purchase products without having to leave the platform. Setting up Facebook Shops is relatively easy if you have a Facebook page. You'll need to set up your catalog in Facebook Commerce Manager and customize your shop to reflect your brand. The process is user-friendly and doesn't require extensive technical knowledge. However, there are some cons to consider. Some users might be wary of shopping directly on Facebook because of privacy concerns. Additionally, the competition is high as many businesses have Facebook shops, which means you'll need to invest in advertising to stand out. So which of these platforms should you choose? It really depends depends on your business needs and where your audience is. If you're looking for visual appeal and a built-in audience, go for Instagram shopping. If long-term discovery is your goal, then Pinterest shopping is going to be a great option. And if you want a comprehensive e-commerce solution, then Facebook Shops is probably best for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all option, and you might even need to use a combination of these to see what's right for your specific business. For example, you could use Facebook Shopping for its visual appeal and immediate audience, Pinterest shopping for long-term engagement and discovery, and Facebook Shops for a comprehensive shopping experience and broader reach. Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are going to be great for organic marketing, and they're all good options. But really the best right now is still TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a lot more built out and more successful when compared to some of the other platforms here. It's really one of the best platforms because of how easy it is to link a product like Zendrop with Shopify and then to put that on TikTok. We actually have another video on the channel where we talk about how to integrate Shopify with your TikTok ads. We'll be sure to have that link down below in the description, as well as links to Zendrop and Shopify down below. So if you are curious, go ahead and check out that video. Also, if you do choose to use our links down below in the description, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. So that's all we have for you today, guys. We really hope you enjoyed the content from this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. And lastly, guys, this channel is dedicated to entrepreneurs like yourself with a mission to help you start and grow your e-commerce brand. We review all the best tools and platforms out there to help you grow your brand. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best, and we will see you back again in the next video.